Welcome back to my channel. This video is for football lovers. You can face 50 general knowledge questions before starting the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Here, the first one. Who won the FIFA World Cup in 2018, Germany, France, or Brazil? Or, great, it's France. Which player has the most Ballon d'Or or awards? Subscribe Mr. Quiz Rush for more quiz videos and challenges. Lionel Messi. Which club is called the Red Devils? Hit the like button to show your love. Manchester United. Who scored the Hand of God goal? Diego Maradona. Which country has won the most FIFA World Cups? Brazil. Where was the first FIFA World Cup held? Uruguay. Who is nicknamed CR7? Cristiano Ronaldo. Which club has won the most UEFA Champions League titles? Real Madrid. How long is a standard football match without extra time? 90 minutes. Who is known as the Egyptian king? Mohamed Salah. Which country hosted the 2024 World Cup? Brazil. Who won UEFA Euro 2016? Portugal. Which player scored the fastest World Cup hat trick? Laszlo Kiss. Which team is nicknamed the Blues? Chelsea. Which country won the 2022 FIFA World Cup? Argentina. Who holds the record for most goals in World Cup history? Miroslav Klose. Who is known as A Fenomeno? Ronaldo Nazario. Which club does Erling Haaland play for as of 2024? Manchester City. Who won the 2021 UEFA Champions League? Chelsea. Which Italian club is nicknamed the Old Lady? Juventus. Who scored the winning goal in the 2010 World Cup final? Andres Iniesta. Which country hosted the 2006 World Cup? Germany. Which African nation reached the 2010 World Cup quarterfinals? Ghana. Who won the 2008 UEFA Euro? Spain. Which club has the nickname the Citizens? Manchester City. Who won the Copa America 2021? Argentina. Who is the top scorer in UEFA Champions League history as of 2024? Cristiano Ronaldo. Which country is known as the Three Lions? England. Zidane headbutt was against which player? Marco Materazzi. Who is the manager of Liverpool as of 2024? Jurgen Klopp. Which club has the most English Premier League titles? Manchester United. Where is the club Boca Juniors based? Argentina. Who won the 1998 World Cup? France. Which club is based at Camp Nou? Barcelona. What color card means a player is sent off? Red. Who scored the fastest Premier League goal? Shane Long. Who won the UEFA Nations League 2019? Portugal. Which German club is known as Die Rotten? Bayern Munich. Who is Barcelona all-time top scorer? Lionel Messi. Which club did Zinedine Zidane play for before Real Madrid? Juventus. Which club does Kylian Mbappe play for as of 2024? Real Madrid. Which country won Euro 2004? Greece. Who is known as the King of Rome? Francesca Totti. Who was the first ever Ballon d'Or winner? Stanley Matthew. Which country has won Copa America the most times? Uruguay. Which club won the UEFA Europa League in 2023? Sevilla. Who scored England's hat-trick in the 1966 World Cup final? Jeff Hurst. Which player is known as Zero Fenomeno? Ronaldo Nazario. Which club's stadium is the San Siro? Both. How many subscribers Ronaldo got in one day? 10 million. Thanks for watching. Keep sharing with friends.